Okay, part two of how to complete jobs. This is on how to accept jobs. Let's see here. How does it start to finish completing it clean? So you know about checking in and checking out, clocking in, clocking out, letting them know that you're on your way. It's important to let the agency know that the job have been completed in order for the agency to collect payments from the client. It's especially important to log the cleaning time if the job is an hourly job. So by you clocking in and clocking out, it notifies the system to go ahead and charge the client for the booking. So if you don't clock in and clock out, we can't charge the client. We can't pay you because the client hasn't paid us yet because you haven't charged them. So make sure you go ahead and clock in, clock out, and click on the way at the most correct time that you need to complete the job. To let the agency know that the jobs have been completed and or how long the job took. You can check in and check out if the jobs in your booking call app, um, if you need a lunch break. So I already talked about the instructional video. We saw that already. So on the way, teams checking in, checking out, time logs to see how fast you've done the job. So there should be notes on the customer file about how to enter the home. They could either leave it with the front desk. There could be a lockbox. There could be they could be home. Things of that nature. They could have left the door open and want you to leave the door closed when you leave. But there should be instructions of how to get into the home if the person isn't there. If the person is there, usually they would just say, "I'm home." There'll be something that denotes it. You can also call the front office if you have any need of assistance. 202-730-0866 is the office number. Go ahead and save that in your phone. 202-730-0866. You will grow to love that number. Okay. So client job information. For hourly jobs, clients may have a list of priorities to complete of importance. Uh, in order of importance to their job notes, or they may give you a list upon arrival. Let's see here. Please complete their most important task or rooms first in case they run out of time. If you need more time to complete the job, you can ask if the client would like to increase their budget or for you to stop when the time runs out. All of the jobs, if it's flat rate. Be sure to read notes carefully. If a job shows only 2 bedrooms and you see three bedrooms in the home, you can check with the client to see which rooms they do not need to be cleaned. If they ask for an extra service, like cleaning that extra bedroom while you're in the home, you can check to see if they've paid for the extra service first and ask for them to call the office and add that so that you can get paid for the extra work that you've done. It's very important to get clients' approval for any changes in the fees, as our agency cannot charge clients for unapproved work. So, meaning get them to go ahead and give us a call and approve the change or the update of money to pay you for your time. Changing client notes. Our agency can update the client notes on file to keep the information current. So if you give us a call and let us know, hey, I need to add to the notes, please take care of X, Y, and Z. Make sure, please, next time to don't forget to dust behind the the kennel of the dog because there's hair behind there that builds up. Then yeah, go ahead and add that to the notes. Go ahead and give us a call if you don't want to type it in or text it in, but you'll at least know how to get to it so you could read the notes that you have on file, which is going to be the top button on the profile of the customer. Yep. As you work with more clients, it may become difficult to remember all the details. If you're sick or on vacation and a substitute cleaner is helping clean the home, it would be beneficial for them to have updated notes about the client. You can add notes in the app or text the agency with the new notes to add in your custom profile. You can also text us too in that merchant area. Customer satisfaction. Keep in mind you are fully responsible for customer satisfaction with the cleaning service. If the client contacts our agency with a complaint about service, or first step is to offer if they would like to request a return visit with you to go over the concerns. You can save time and money by doing an optional walkthrough with the client at the time of the cleaning to ensure satisfaction and also get their signature on the pad. So basically, so if a client doesn't like it clean, and they have visible, marks like you left trash outside, or lots of streaks everywhere, or something was damaged, you need to go back there and touch up the area. But we don't charge them for it. You'll keep your money, but you're not cleaning the whole house again. You're just touching up the area that we missed. But in order to save you your time, you should just make sure everything is as thorough as possible. If you use a checklist, if you take before and after photos, you will protect yourself against having to go back there again. If you've done a good job, one, and you have before and after photos to prove that you did a good job. First step is definitely to do a good job. But, we've hired you, you're a professional cleaner, and we trust that you'll be able to get this job done fully and with pristine excellence, so that they'll keep coming back for more, and you'll have more and more and more clients, and more and more and more money, and more bonuses too. Any questions you may have, feel free to reach out.